Hey, it's Jason with Lennar with your weekly construction update. Kelly's here as well. We're standing inside your home. The plumbers have finished, so you can see that your shower's in place in the bathroom here, and that they've got their lines run up through the floor ready for their finish. The heating and air contractor's in here now. He'll be wrapped up here within the next, I don't know, hour and a half or so. He's famous now. My electricians are completing their work. They're downstairs working while he works up here, but you can see most of their switch boxes and outlets are in place upstairs. So things are coming together well. I should be ready to fire caulk tomorrow or Friday, and then schedule my city inspection first of the week, which would then allow me to insulate the home middle of next week, and then stock drywall and get into drywall. So next Wednesday, I'll probably have a firm date on when I'll start drywall, and I'll be able to share that with you and talk about some of the other inspections we do internally prior to moving into drywall. So hope you're excited. House is looking great. We'll keep it moving. Thanks.